Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, the author of Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. And today I'm going to be talking about how to make a Twitter thread. And this is what I'm talking about. This is my own Twitter account. And you can see a couple days ago I made this threaded list of tweets. And these tweets are all connected together. They have numbers in front of them and they appear as like kind of a unified whole. And if somebody clicked on one of the tweets, they would be taken to the thread view and actually see the other tweets that are part of the part of the discussion here. And the reason why people do threaded tweets like this is because basically it lets them tweet more than 280 characters at a time. Because as you may know, there's a limit of 280 characters for a single tweet. But if you do this threaded approach, you could actually tell like a little story. And I've seen some threaded tweets that are like 20 or even 30 tweets long. So it can be pretty effective. And basically, this is how you make it. Go to twitter.com. And I'm just going to go to my home screen. So this is my personal account at iLamont. And this is my business account for In 30 Minutes Guides. And this is the normal view that you see when you go to it. And if you want to tweet something, you either put your cursor in here and start tweeting, or you hit this button, the tweet button, and start typing. So I'm going to make a threaded conversation, and here's how to get started. So, hi, author of Twitter in, I'm having trouble here, in 30 minutes, giving an example of a threaded tweet. Okay, so normally, if you're making a tweet, when you're finished typing, you just hit the tweet button like that, and that will post the tweet. This time, I'm going to click the plus button, add another tweet. And you'll see that it presents a view of all the tweets that are in the thread, starting with the first one, and then adding a second one. This is the second tweet in the thread. Okay. And I can keep on hitting the plus button and adding more. This is the third tweet in the thread. And so on and so on. And then I can say this is the final tweet. Okay. So a little message will appear at the top saying your tweets have been sent. And actually, let's take a look and see what it looks like. So go to your profile. And you can see near the top of my profile, here's the thread. Now it's showing it reverse chronologically, so the first one is actually a little bit further back, and then the second one, the third one, the fourth one. But you can see it posted them, and then also it links them all under the Show This Thread. So click on that, and it will show you all the tweets in the thread, which is pretty useful. It also allows me to add another tweet, which is good in case you forget to say something. Say, let's do that right now. P.S. Wanted to add this final tweet to the thread, and tweet that. Okay. All right. So it's put it all up there. In terms of adding numbers to these tweets, you have to do that manually. So if I wanted to do that, probably the first one I would have done 1 dot and then type the message, 2 dot, then type the message, 3 dot. Unfortunately, you cannot go back to edit your tweets, either threaded or otherwise. So you have to kind of plan that ahead. But this is a really good way to not only to tweet kind of long trains of thought, but also, like, let's say that you have, maybe you type something up in advance in Word or in Google Docs or in a text editor or something like that. And you can just kind of copy and paste it right into this using the threaded feature on Twitter. For more information on how to get the most out of Twitter, check out my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.